In this video, we'll show you how to create and set a password on Windows 11. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up a password for your device is a great way to secure your computer, protect your files, and keep your data safe. To get started, first click on the Windows Start menu at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Settings. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar to find it. Next, in the Settings menu, look for the Accounts section on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Sign In Options under your account settings. Now find the Passwords section and click on it. On the right side, you'll see an option to add a password. Click on it and then enter the password you want to set. Don't forget to add a password hint that will help you remember it. Once you've entered your details, click Next at the bottom right and then hit Finish. The next time you log into your computer, you'll need to use the password you just created. If this guide was helpful and you'd like to see more content like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to helping you again in the future.